Hello everyone, on this video we're going to see how we can set up our RTD analog input to read a temperature sensor. To do this, let's go into our integrated I/O and access the RTD inputs tab. So here you have our two RTD inputs that are RI0 and RI1, and you can select which one you're going to use. In my case, I have a PT100 connected on my RI1, so I'm selecting this as a PT100, and you can select PT100 or a PT1000. In my case, I have a PT100 and it follows the American curve. So you need to know which curve your PT100 follows. So in my case, it's American. It can be American or European. In my case, it's American. And I'm going to apply a digital filter to the signal I'll be reading on the PLC. And this filter can be 100 milliseconds. Here you can select the temperature unity that you're going to read your temperature, if it's going to be on degrees Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. I'm selecting degrees Celsius here. Okay, so in the next video, we're going to see how we can wire the PT100 into our RTD inputs and read the temperature directly from the PLC.